we are going to learn about how image is represented in computer. Now on your screen, you can see the textbook part, page number 45, here image representation into computer memory. So when we store any image in computer, how it is stored and in which type. So since we know that whatever computer is storing, that is in the sequence of zeros and ones. So whether it is text or numbers or image, it is stored in zeros and ones only. Then there is another representation of image, that is vector image. So vector image, here it is in form of different geometrical shape like lines, curves, rectangles, circles, etc. So for that, let me show you different images that is stored in my computer. So this is, you can see, now here I have opened one image. You can see this image. Now when I enlarge this image, see what happens. Now you can easily see that it gets blurred. Okay, this is blurred. So this depends on resolution of image. So when we are going to expand that image for viewing purpose, at that time it gets blurred. Another same image I have now opened, that is saved differently, that is in high resolution. Now when I zoom in this image, it retains its quality. Okay, this is high resolution image or actual image, then same image with different resolution. Now this is low resolution that we have seen earlier. Now you can see this, it gets blurred here. So this is called image resolution. So resolution is actually number of pixels that are used to create that image. That is number of pixels that are used to create that image in rows and width. So when we use less number of pixels, the resolution is lower. When we use large number of pixels, for example, right now this screen resolution, we can see, okay, this is resolution 1366 into 768. That means my desktop right now is having 1366 pixels wide by 768 in height, pixels in height. Okay, this is resolution of my screen. Now there are different resolution. Lower than that, that is 1280 by 768, 1280 by 720, this one, this, and the last one is 860. So when I select this one, at that time it will generate low resolution output, and I will not able to see everything clearly, or sharp images I will not able to see here. So this is pixel by pixel resolution. So now the images which are stored in this form, that is number of pixels in height and width, that image when you zoom in will lose its quality and it will get blurred. But there are different, this is called raster image, raster, and there is another kind of image, that is vector image, wherein different the image is formed with different geometrical shapes and in forms of mathematical calculations. So when this type of image we enlarge, the calculation is done again automatically, and the same quality we are getting. So vector images are used for images where we want higher resolution images, or when we want to print that image or show that image in bigger form. So here we have seen one example of pixel. 1368 by 768 pixel resolution we have seen in this computer. So actually what is a pixel? So pixel you can imagine as a dot on this screen, the whole screen. So this screen is made up of very small tiny dots. Let's see it again. So now you can see that here it is white color, here it is skin color, here it is gray color, like that. So whatever pixels are here that are colored with this color, here with different color, here with white color. So each of this pixel gets different value, and that value holds some color. So pixel we call it in short, but actual name is picture cell. This is picture cell or picture element that we can call to pixel, and it is in tabular form, means number. For example, from this corner of my computer to this corner, from left to right, I have 1368 pixels, and from top to bottom 768 pixels here. And there is one calculation. You can see this: if there is a resolution of 2048 by 1536 pixels. Okay, so actually how many pixels are used there? That is 31,45,768. So when this much resolution I keep for my screen, at that time I am using these many pixels. So these many dots are there on my screen, and it is called 3.1 megapixels. Mega means 1000. Now when you use high resolution image, at that time it is using large amount of storage space also. So depending on our need, we have to be clear about the size or the resolution of the image that we want to keep. There are different kind of images. The first one is .bmp. This is extension of an image file. So bitmap image. This is full form is bitmap image. So for example, if image is ABC and afterwards .bmp is written, it is a bitmap image. Then JPG or JPEG, two extensions are there for this type of file, JPG file, and this is widely used, Joint Photographic Experts Group. This is full form of JPG. Then comes portable network graphic, that is PNG. So these kind of images are widely used on internet, and when we want to create an image which is transparent in some part and having picture in some part, at that time this extension is there, that is portable network graphic. Then GIF, this is graphics interchange format. We can create animated GIF also, wherein multiple images are used as a single image, and we can see the change occurring in this image. So one single output and having multiple files together, that is GIF, animated GIF. And there can be a single GIF also, one file only. Then comes tagged image file format. This is another kind of image file format. Same way like images, audio and video information is also represented in digital information form in computer's memory. And there are multiple audio and video extensions also, like MP4, AVI, VOB, etc. for video, MP4, MP3, M4A, etc. for audio format. So there are different formats. For example, sound files or audio files have .wav, that is waveform audio file format. MP3, that is moving picture expert group. This is full form of MP3. And WMA, that is Windows Media Audio. And the most common nowadays we are using is MP3. There are different video formats like .FLV, that is flash video format, AVI audio video interleave, WMV that is Windows Media Video, and MP4 that is Moving Picture Expert Group format. So actually this video is what? Video is nothing but we are keeping multiple image in sequence and we are moving one by one image in a particular time. For example, we are moving 25 images in 1 second, and that makes it look like it is moving. So actually video formats are nothing but images in sequence.